Ladies and gentlemen, it is officially December and I am a part of the pre-batch. So the batch that even came before batch A. So I've been staying in Ghana since November and I stayed in a Ejingano for the very first time, and this was my experience. I booked the Pinnacle through Airbnb. I'll put the link below so that if you guys like this tour, you can book it too. So we're starting off strong in the living room. It's an open plan living room kitchen, and the one thing I love about this Airbnb is it has everything you need if you decide to cook. I don't really cook. I tried one time in Ghana and then I just quit. But it's got your blender, it's got your kettle, it's got your toaster, you got your microwave, you got your electric stove, your oven. So everything that you need to make successful dishes, they've got it in this apartment. Next up is the bedroom. The bedrooms are decent size, it's beautifully decorated. You've got your AC in every single room of this apartment. You've got a full-length mirror. The importance of a full-length mirror, like some Airbnbs, they just don't get it. I want to see how I'm looking like at the end of each night, at the beginning of each night and at the end of each night. So I'm so glad that this came with a full-length mirror. It comes with a washing basket, which is also rare because some Airbnbs do not have that at all. It comes with hot water. No matter how hot Ghana gets, I need a hot shower. Like, I need that. So if you come with me downstairs, you can find a gym. It has all the equipment that you need to make sure you're in tip-top shape. Unfortunately for me, I couldn't visit the room too much. Okay, this is literally the first time I visited, just to give you guys the tour. And I'm paying the consequences because too much fufu and benku has entered my stomach, and now, yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna try paddle and see if I can lose the weight. Also, the one cool thing about this apartment is that it has a provision store, so you can literally buy all your essentials like egg, toilet roll. Why did I start with egg? This is so cliche. Your cleaning products, basic food items, everything that you need is in that provision store if you do not want to go outside. And then now I'm taking you up to the rooftop. So as you can see, if you Google this place, you can see bar and lounge. So starting off strong, we have the rooftop lounge where they do amazing continental food. So they do everything from jollof rice, fried rice, bolognese, pastas, local food, red, palava sauce. So the food that I've tried there was the yam chips, and I've tried the palava sauce and the boiled jam. I haven't tried anything else, but the food was really good. The portion size is good. The price is, I think, medium to high. They do these amazing cocktails, like these tiki cocktails, and they're so sweet and they're so nice and they're so strong. So I would definitely come here to just have a drink, have a snack, and I think it's very convenient because you don't have to really rely on bulk food or have to leave the apartment to order food. So to order, last orders is 11 p.m. if there's no customers around, or if there's customers around, last orders is 12. So make sure that you get your orders in early. If you don't want to go to the lounge, you can literally WhatsApp them and they'll bring it to your room. They also have a private indoor area, so if you don't want to eat up in the rooftop, the outdoor part, you can literally go inside and have this private area which has AC, which is pretty nice. You have a great view of the whole of Ejingano. Obviously, like, it's mostly buildings, but if you look far enough, you can see like the Accra horizon. They also do private events here. So if you have a birthday coming up, if you're planning a bachelor party, bachelorette, or any type of event, they even sometimes do their own events as well. You can just call them up, pay a little fee, and then, you know, run your event from here. Not too many people know about this location, so I think it's a very good area to stay. It's got 24-hour security, you get bi-weekly cleaning, they replace your towels, your toilet tissue, and I think this is a very seamless full-service place.